I like collecting leaves. Today we're going to make a wreath using leaf rubbings. You will need some leaves, some white paper, a paper plate or some cardboard, scissors, some glue, crayons, and ribbon or string. Find some leaves and put one under the white paper. Then rub the paper with the wide side of the crayons. Make many more leaf rubbings. Cut out your leaves. Place the paper plate and cut out the middle of it to make a circular frame. Now glue the cut out leaves to the frame. Add a string so we can hang the wreath. Great! It is so beautiful. You can display it on the wall or give it to someone as a gift. Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!